Hey everybody, Jeff Tackney, Team Tackney GMT Real Estate. Here today in front of our newest listing, 11057 Carlton Way in beautiful Stanton, California. This is a fantastic home, 3-bed, 2-bath, very desirable end unit across from the pool. Can't wait to show you inside. Come on in. So here I am in this amazing kitchen. You got oak cabinets, granite countertops, tile floors. I don't know about you, but I could see myself cooking my wife and family an amazing dinner here. So here I am in the second level, and this is where all 3 bedrooms are. And these bedrooms have been updated with fresh paint, shutters throughout. You also have an updated bath here. And the primary, you've got your view of the pool. Amazing. Hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful 3-bedroom home here on Carlton Way. Remember, if you want your own private tour, contact us today. Bye for now.